We are learning to determine tense from the information that verbs give us. What is meant by tense is the time at which an action is, was, or will be carried out. Looking first at the present tense, this is used to describe actions which are being carried out now or at the present time. For example, he turns his head towards the music. Verbs in the past tense, however, are used to describe actions that have taken place already, be it in the recent future, just moments ago, or long, long ago. For example, he turned his head towards the music. You'll see that the verb ending has changed in this case. When we use the future tense for a verb, it is to denote an action that will take place either in the near future or the distant future. For example, he will turn his head towards the music. When forming past tense verbs, there are some rules regarding the verb endings that we need to follow. Many verbs simply, when forming past tense, add an ed or a straight d. For example, lick does not end in an e, so it adds an ed. Refuse, already ending in an e, so simply add a d. Thank, no e at the end, so we add an ed, and bat becomes battered. Note here that the end consonant after a vowel is doubled before the ed is added. For those verbs ending in a y, such as bury or copy, the y is taken out and replaced by ied. There are lots of irregular verbs in English, and these are the ones that trip us up. They change their spelling completely to form the past tense. Words like dig become dug, eat becomes ate, swim can either be swam or swum. Often it will help to say them aloud in a sentence so that you can hear whether or not they are correct. We'll be taking a look at some of the other rules that govern forming past tense with verbs in class.